DJM TV.
My betalicious ogbonge somebody, I hello. I welcome you to DJM TV daily news update. Now your one-stop channel where they give you all the better gist them where they happen inside Nigeria and all around the world. This is not the first time we see any of our videos. I beg. No, you don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Don't forget, so you can still follow us on all our social media handles for YouTube, for Facebook, for Instagram, for Twitter, and for our newly added TikTok. All these social media platforms, we did there at DJM TV. Check out our website at www.djmtv.news. We dey drop news for there 247. We know they miss am. And you not forget say, because we get wide coverage, you fit place your advert with us. And you dey rest assured say, your advert will get to the desired market. All you need to do now to check out, contact us, go for our bio for this YouTube channel. You go see our number there. Check our Facebook page, you go see our number on how to contact us. Contact us, we'll get back to you. We'll go do the whole thing. Everything will go like, go smooth like butter. You know that kind of matter now. And then your advert, as soon as it come on air, your market go, they go, fium. So the market go, they move. Now so it be. Now to the matter where we carry come. Asaladon boss for inside one university for Ilori, where they for choirs, where they call AS HE DEY University. As one of their students and one NYC core member don't allegedly hack the school account and transfer over 1.9 million naira into their account. Now, this is not the first time all these kind of things they happen. If you did convert, you go to your Yahoo, cyber crime, you know they call that now. Sweet they go make it not be like saying a bad thing the people that they do. But don't forget, say some of our youth they don't really get into this cyber crime of a thing. And in fact, that's where they make their money, and then now have their full-time business now. Most of them are students, so but then they visit the school that they go again, say they want to do anything. They won't be say, make pay, make they cash out. You know the matter. Once they cash out, they buy Venza, or they go buy white collar Venza. You know the matter now. Then they go, they move in convoy. They move speed, view for the area. These are the oppressed people, children. You know the thing they be. Now, what is up? They say for inside this AS HE DEY University for Kwara State, one of their students where they call Idris Shaibu Suleiman and one NYC core member where they call Nazim Usman Goma, two of them conspire together, they put heads together. They say two good heads are better than one. They go put their heads together to hack the school account and to transfer the money enter their own account. Now most people they say why they go hack school account for waiting. Well, they get the reason why they do it they do. I'm not go fit talk. But the matter now be say EFCC, the school report the matter, so EFCC do their own investigation, trace them, and they go carry them, go court. They arrange them for the court, and then the judge for the court call, speak of those their court steps. But the boys they say, we no do amo, no be we. We plead not guilty. You know the matter now. Married as they talk for the court, may you say hear the matter too. You know what it is up now. So they say that you Nazim Usman Goma and Idris Shaibu Suleiman, sometime between March and May 2020 at Ilori, Kwara State, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, agreed among yourselves to commit illegal acts of 9,118,500 naira only, property of AS HE DEY University in Lorry, and thereby committed an offense contrary to section 96 of the Penal Code and punishable under section 287 of the Penal Code. See the matter with the sub now. Now the defendant say, no be we will not do one. Oga court, Oga judge, I no do. The money they got 9.1 million. Oh, Bobby. almost 9.2 million, and then move from school account. Although the boys dey say we no do, our hands are clean, we no take money, we no see, we no touch, we no take. So the court say okay, no wahala, they will grant them bail on the condition say there will be one shorty wey dey stay around the jurisdiction of the court area, like that local government wey the court dey, and the shorty go pay 3.5 million. You understand? Their bail money na 3.5 million per person. No, not be there too. One person 3.5 million, the other person 3.5 million, and they no go fit travel comot from the area. If that local government no fit even comot without permission from the court, they go submit all their travel documents give court. They say so, and anytime when the court need them to come back for reappearance, or when they for look into the matter again, they go just come sharp, nothing like they won't waste time. My man know what happen. They go appear for court sharply. That's what the matter could be. When they go see person go pay that 3.5 million now, nobody don't know how the thing go be. Meanwhile, NYSC don't come outside, cause shook man put for inside this matter. NYSC don't come outside, they go call talk something. They say we hear say one NYSC core member, what they call Nazim Usman Goma, go do internet fraud, transfer school money of the tune of 9.1 million naira, enter your account, and one other person will be student of the school. The matter where the sub now be say, truly, Nazim Goma na former core member, that they call S core member. In a NYSC core member, wey serve for Jigawa State, but he don't finish NYSC, they don't discharge him, they don't give a discharge letter, he no get extension of service. As such, NYSC don't know anything concerning this guy. So that's what they want to, when they call NYSC, they put for the matter. NYSC don't drop body, they say no. This guy no be core member. He don't do his service finish, and as such, make everybody leave NYSC come out for this matter. Man show you what the NYSC they talk for the matter. Now they say the attention of the management of the National Youth Service Corps has been drawn to the online news that a core member in Jigawa State with the name Nazim Usman Gomna was arraigned in court for alleged theft of 9.1 million naira, property of Al Hikman University in Lorry State. To put issues in proper perspective, the alleged culprit was indeed a core member in Jigawa State who has been discharged from service and therefore no longer a core member. The general public should kindly take note of this relevant proper guidance. Signed, Management of NYSC. You know how the matter dey be. Now, the other guy will be Idris Suleiman Shaibu, the 400 level student of the Al Hikman University. Now, some people go say, why they go Al University website? We don't really know, but you know one thing what they happen nowadays. See that the schools no dey safe, especially for the northern part, or the school, their school fees dey very, very high. Now, Al Hikman University just recently reduced their school fees. As at the time when this thing happened, when they reduce their school fees, they get one student, they pay 430,000, 530,000. They can't reduce the money to about 190, 180, 170, depending on the cost, 143. Some they got be free, like their Bachelor of Agriculture and Arabic Studies, they say na free. You understand? Now, this one fit make person get eye for the school money. EFCC don't arrange them for court don't grant them bail, but nobody don't fit come forward with the said amount. 3.5 million naira, na big money. Nobody don't fit come forward with the said amount to take bail them come out for court custody. Now, for another development, Delta State University, Abraka, they don't increase their school fees. First of all, they start with acceptance fee. People don't talk. Everybody quiet. You understand? Now, they don't increase. They very increase acceptance fees from 20K to 30,000, 40,000 respectively. Now, they don't increase their school fees from 50-something thousand. Let's say students they shall say, If it's 20,000 too much, parents they complain say where they want to get that money from. They don't increase that to now. Medical students will be non-indigent. They pay 189,000 naira per annum. This na state university. Now one thing is say people they go from private university to state universities because of the tuition fee. That private university they pay 1 point something million, so they pay 2 million, 500,000. I mean people they go state and federal universities. Now a state university they collect 189,000, 190, 140. In fact, above 100,000 and school fees for student hand. When I say most of these students they train themselves. Most of these students, their parents don't get money. What do they do? Most of them they hustle. Most of them they go sell things. Some of them they hustle to pay their school fees. Now school don't come without prior notice, without any information. They just increase the school fees like that. Go 189,000. Now the ex students of the school, where they call alumni, they don't decide say they go join body with the student to stage protest. Say they no go agree, we no go agree for this increment of school fees because it's too much. Now you say may youth not going to internet crime, may they not going to fraudulent business, may they not going to thief, picky, and yet the only thing when they say they manage their afford will be school fees. You don't increase them. Why they not go put their hand for bad thing? They inside the school, they not fit afford the school fees. They go come become dropouts. Mass dropout will come happen for the school. Now, the student union body don't call on the Delta State governor and the government, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa and the administration say, may they look into this increment of school fees because it not just favor the students at all. So you put this down that they sponsor themselves for school. And the person want to raise almost 200K. That means you will just want to enter the school. Your school fees now almost 250,000. Because by the time you add acceptance and your school fees, you can even add your accommodation join. You don't spend almost 250K. I graduated from Delta State University. Throughout my 4 years of that school, all the money I spent together, both as school fees, accommodation, and whatever, it not reach 200,000. And you see me one person pay them for entrance fee, 250K. The matter they provoke me. Now we just bring news about students will be like say they hack their school website, they hack their school account. This is Al Hakim student, see them, and this is ESCO member. They hack the school account, withdraw money. Why they not go do that kind of thing? Well, be like maybe now they pay their school fees and then they defend them. I know they say what they do, they right. But if the rate of school fees increment they go up every time, that means say it go reach one time like say university education no go dey affordable for common man again. So for Delta State University, we dey beg make the government look into this matter because the students don't plan the protest. So they will go on, they no go agree, Don't say before na ASU dey strike, NASU and SANU, now the students want strike, say the money they put as school fees, it's so much. Now here we take on to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. If you get anything you want to concerning these stories I want to bring about the students who hack their school accounts and the increment of school fees of Delta State University, Abraka, make you drop your comment for the comment section. And make you don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. In case you never see subscribe till now. I beg. Lawo, wogo, subscribe, I beg. Now, as I beg you now, I beg you, just subscribe. May you touch this bell. The bell when near the subscribe button, touch them. So that as we drop news, you will be one of the first persons to know, say, better than land for inside DJM TV Daily News Update. Till I come your way again, my name is still Laworo Favor, and I'm bringing this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. And I tell you, say, this life, if you say education is expensive, may you try ignorance. Now statement where they talk before, but then now they make it be like say ignorance it quite even cheap pass education. I don't know where would they go for the country. My people, una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.